Let's switch back to the main branch. There. Now, the branches didn't move, remember, but head did move. It's now pointing at main. And if we look into the apple pie recipe, we find our own version of the recipe here, not the alternate version. Now, let's say that I tried the two apple pie recipes. I actually baked both apple pies, and I like the alternate version a bit more, the one in the ideas branch. So, I want to merge changes from the ideas branch into the main branch. Let's do the magic. Git merge. And there you are, we have a conflict. We want to have both our changes and the changes from ideas in main, but Git is warning us that at least some of those changes are conflicting. We need to solve the conflicts manually, and chances are you probably got in this situation already, either while using Git or some other version control system. If we look inside the apple pie file, we will see that this line, this one, was changed in divergent ways in our recipe and in the alternate recipe in the ideas branch. So now we need to take a stand and decide how many apples to use in the pie. I can't decide which version is better, so let's go for one of those compromises that usually work fine in the kitchen and add just one more apple. Middle ground. Okay, there. Now, if we get the status, we see that this file is not staged for the next commit. We need to add it explicitly. This is our way to tell Git that the conflict has been fixed. There. And now we can complete the merge. If we hadn't had conflicts, then Git would have done this last step automatically. But because we did have conflicts, we have to say, okay, we are done fixing all the conflicts. And we do that with a commit. We don't even need to give it a commit message. Git knows that we are in the middle of a merge, so it will create a suitable message automatically. We could change the message, but I won't. I will just approve it by saving and quitting the editor. If you look at the log now, you will see a brand new commit. And if you look inside this commit with cat file, remember cat file, the low-level command that we used to pick inside the objects in the database. There it is. It's just like any other commit that we've seen so far. A merge is just a commit, with one exception. It has two parents. That's what makes it a merge. A commit in Git usually has one parent, but it can have as many parents as you like, actually. So let's update the diagram. Git created a new commit with two parents to represent the merge and moved the main to point at the new commit. That's how merging works.